Gikeno kiingi ni kionekete kuhutia atongoria aingĩ makigathĩrĩria ikinya rĩa mũtongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta ni ũndũ wa kunanĩra njũng'wa na mũtongoria wa ũregani Raila Odinga. Gavana wa Meru Kiraitu Murungi na seneta wa Meru Mithika Linturi ni amwe a atongoria arĩa magathĩrĩirie ikinya rĩrĩ makiuga thayũ na ũrũmwe ni ũkũgacĩra bũrũri-inĩ.
Speaking on the need to bring our country together, to fight the demons of tribalism, and for me I really welcome that move.
Ni imani yangu kwamba Kenya itaweza kusonga mbele wakati viongozi hawa wawili wameanza kuongea pamoja.
Nake spika wa bunge ya Senate Ken Lusaka mari na seneta wa Kiambu Matina tigwo na thutha harĩ kũgathĩrĩria atongoria erĩ. Lusaka akiuga nĩ akenetio nĩ ũiguano wa Uhuru na Raila, mwĩhoko wake ũrĩ thayũ nĩ ũkũgacĩra.
That has been our desire. That has been the desire, I think, of every Kenyan. And I think the two principals have, the President and the former Prime Minister have shown the way. And once they have talked, now everybody else should follow suit so that we take this country.
Tried to meeting His Excellency the President and finding a solution. That's what we're saying. If dialogue can be found or discussions can be found at that level, why not us? And that's what we're saying. That it's that gap we are bridging.
No na kuri uguo undu uyu ndwagite kwamukirwo na njira itari ya gikeno kuma kuri andu matiganite. Anyiti mbaru matiganite agwataniro eno ya NASA kuma Mwingi kiuga matinakenio ni itua rĩa Raila.
Sasa mimi naweza kusema yeye ya Raila ni kama usaliti mkubwa. Ndio kama opposition leader kuenda Ikulu ama kuenda kwa Jubilee, hiyo ni kumaliza opposition.
Maoni yangu ninaona hii ni usaliti mtupu. Na kwa Wakamba jumla ninawaomba wakae kwa NASA na bila kutingizika, manake NASA hainjaisha. NASA imebaki na Kalonzo, Wetangula na Mudavadi.
Ikinya rĩrĩ arĩ kĩonania gĩa gũtigĩrĩra bũrũri nĩ warũgama wega na thayũ nĩ wagacĩra gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Sasa ndugu yangu ataongea. God bless.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Maina wa Mwangi.
First and foremost, I have taken great pleasure this morning in welcoming my brother